Hi, I'm Dave Coppage. People from around the world come to the Paria Plateau to see amazing rock formations like the Wave and White Pocket. But I began to wonder what else is out here. So I went looking for new areas that have not been documented or photographed before, as far as I know. Join me now as we hike into the Vermilion Cliffs wilderness to make new discoveries on the Paria Plateau. All right, it's a little after 9 o'clock, May 17th, 2017, and I'm at the wilderness boundary here at the end of the Hole in the Rock Road. Behind me is the butte for Hole in the Rock Arch, which you can't see the arch from here, but over there are the twin white buttes. And here's a prominent rock ridge. There's my car, a beautiful butte there, and I'm heading off into the wilderness for a 2.2 mile hike to what I call the Forked Tongue Recon area, which may be an area of buttes similar to Coyote Buttes. At least we'll find out hopefully today. It's a beautiful day, partly cloudy, but interesting clouds, not as windy, and this is me, Dave Coppage, your host. We're going to see things we hope that few people have ever seen before on this hike. So, off we go. Okay, our target today is those cones out there in the center of the photo at the end of a long rock ridge. And we'll see if there's anything particularly interesting out there. It looks colorful, red and white from here. And beyond that is the Paria River Canyon. So it's a beautiful day for a hike to check out something new. Okay, there's that tall butte. My car's on the other side of that. And getting closer to the cones that are my target. I can see now there's a steep wall. What I'm trying to do is climb up into the cones. Cold breeze came up, cold wind. But I'm doing all right. I'm over halfway there, I think. Well, things are looking pretty interesting here. I'm already starting to get into some red rock area, and looks like it's going to be a fun hike up there. I found another wave here at the Forked Tongue Recon area, and I'm not even into the best part yet. I'm headed up there into that series of cones and see what we can find, but I thought this is pretty interesting here. Well, I've arrived at the Forked Tongue Recon area, and the sun is coming in and out, so we'll have good light for photographs. Way off over there, you can see the Paria River Canyon, another long rock ridge on the opposite side of this valley. But pretty amazing. I think anything this colorful is bound to be interesting. Here comes a little sunlight, I think. But if not, I'll take some more sunlight pictures as I get able. As I sat on this shelf of rock, admiring the view of cloud shadows passing over those castle-like domes up there, I thought, this is a grand view. That's it, Grandview Point. I spent almost an hour shooting time-lapse video of the scene, which compressed down to just 90 seconds. And when I got home and watched it later, I thought, man, this needs to be set to epic music. Watch. Well, I think I could have called this a successful hike already, but there's more. See that narrow slot up there? I thought if I could climb up there, I might be able to get up behind the castle domes. So let's give it a try. Follow me. I think I'm going to climb up that little drop to the right of that sharp peak and see if I can get up there behind the cones and see what I see. All right, I'm climbing up that scree slope, and I want to share with you the moment. Moment I make a fool of myself. Slippery rock here. But the moment of discovery at the top of the slope. What will it be like entering the cone area of Forked Tongue Recon? Let's discover it together. Okay, more solid ground, I hope. Looks like I gotta go down and then up. Okay, up and over that lip. We'll be behind the cones of this new area. Rarely, if ever, explored by humans until now. Okay, gotta climb up this wall. Whoa! Don't want to break the fins. But I gotta get up, get a leg up. All right, picking up where we left off after a quick battery change. We're climbing up behind the cones of the Forked Tongue Recon area on a beautiful day, Wednesday, May 17th, 2017. Looking back where we came from, the car's on the other side of that butte in the distance. Got flake rock and swirls. That's kind of pretty. And up we go to see what's up here. Nice bright red and white rocks, just like Coyote Buttes. Oh, what have we here? It's like a stripe area with cones and a good view off to the north. Wow, it's just like White Pocket. But nobody knows about it yet, except us. Looking around toward the ridge line. Let's take a view off to the north here. That's spectacular. Wavy lines everywhere and great views. Boy, people ought to know about this. Found it on Google Earth, but it's not written up anywhere as far as I can tell. Okay, more in a bit. I'm gonna stop this video and take some stills of the area. Well, look at this remarkable area we discovered together here at Forked Tongue Recon area. North of Hole in the Rock is this white pocket-like area. It's like white pocket with a view, because you get a fantastic view to the north and the south. But the features are very similar to what you see at White Pocket, where thousands of people love to go, but nobody knows about this area that's quite similar and even better in some respects. I named this wonderland Sky Pocket after its resemblance to White Pocket, but with a view. After exploring it for a while, I decided to go back to that slot and see if I could climb up higher. So let's check it out. Okay, I just climbed up to another area above the cones, seeing if I could get to the top of this ridge line here. Looks like I might be able to do it. And looking down the other side, a large area to explore. Swirls and waves and cones, so we'll take a look at this in a little while. Got a rainstorm coming in, so may not be able to film much more, but it looks pretty exciting. Maybe if I get to the top, I can look down and get an overview of what to expect down there. Anyway, looks good. Another area to discover. Okay, here's a big bowl I descended into from over that direction. You can see where I came down. Yeah, I came down that gap, and I found another set of cones here that look interesting. I'll explore them a little bit, and then what I think I'll do is scramble up there to the top of the ridge and walk the ridge line, where I may be able to get good views of what's down below for recording and mapping. Alright, so some rain showers, but nothing too heavy right now. Sun comes out once in a while, so it doesn't look like a long extended rain, but beautiful day otherwise. Out exploring here in Forked Tongue Recon area. Once on top of the ridge, the wind was so strong it overpowered my voice, but I got terrific views all over looking down at what I had seen. What I called the Wavy Bowl was decorated with stripes and swirls in pink and beige and salmon colors. I walked the ridgetop for about a half a mile looking for more things to see. Okay, I'm up on the ridge line high above the Forked Tongue Recon area. You can see the domes down there with the white pocket-like area. It doesn't look like there's any easy way down from the ridge except over there where I climbed up, so I'll backtrack in a minute, but I wanted to show you something interesting that I found over here on the wall of this ridge. Interesting stain and Tefoni patterns. Real abrupt edges. Quite a striking scene here. No easy way down here or anywhere in the foreseeable future over there, but you can see the butte where my car's behind the butte, and the butte behind that is Hole in the Rock Butte. So it's been a great day. I saw a lot. Been exploring about 5 hours. It'll probably be 5.5, 6 when I get back to the car, but now I'm gonna head back down and call it a day. A great day. Well, there's my GPS waypoint manager telling me I must be at my car. Just a couple hundred feet away, there it is. So, after about 5.5 hours of hiking, saw a lot. On the way back, I hiked along that wall over there. A lot of interesting stripes and colors all the way back. There's the big butte. Came on the west side of the butte this time. Hiked out on the east side. I think it's a lot more interesting hiking along the wall if you can maintain your elevation. Anyway, some drips of rain on the way back, but not enough to get soaked. Kept me actually kind of cool as I was walking. So, another great adventure of discovery. Forked Tongue Recon area is now a matter of knowledge, not just a interesting spot on Google Earth, but now I have photos to document it and adventure stories to tell. All right, praise God. This is Dave Coppage signing out after a great adventure. Northern Arizona, Paria Plateau.